When it comes to businesses, most of us from Africa, we think that, okay, in my own experience and the people I've worked with, most of the people say that they're failing to start their businesses because they want funding. So we have the belief that until you get funding, you can do nothing, right? But that's about to change. Because we don't need funding. The way we shall get funding is through revenue. In fact, all those businesses that have been able to get funding have been able to do that because they were already running. They have proven themselves. And until you prove yourself, it's not easy for you to get funding. We are not going to wait for weeks. We're not going to wait for months. We're not going to wait for a year. We need the revenue when? Now. And so, as we work with these businesses, we need to support them figure out how they can be able to make revenue now, starting today. If they have been running, how can they make revenue to improve their business? If they have not been running and they're just starting, how can they sell already their product now so that they can get more revenue and add on the business?